Hello everyone, Jai Swaminarayan. Contributor Personality Development Program. The subject code is 316002. Semester 6. So let's go ahead. Semester 6. The subject code is 316002. Unit 6, Trust Conduct. We have discussed what is trust. Trust is believing that the person, yeah, we can say persons who is trusted will do what is expected. A person who can put trust on you, or and he or she is expected from you also. So it is called trust. Trust is believing that the person who is trusted will do what is expected. One of the most important mindset of a contributor is trust behavior. The term trust behavior may be described as character in action. The person with a trust behavior acting always with honesty and integrity. This includes keeping one's word and commitments. So we have to keep a one word and commitments that and उसके बाद हम किसी का ट्रस्ट अपने माइंड पे ले सकते हैं. So it includes keeping one's word and commitments, staying back with a task, acting with integrity in every situation, making sure that there is complete transparency in one's actions and interactions also. So a person must be free mindset and he or she is not to hesitate के जल्दी से बोल दीजिए नो. सो ट्रस्ट ये कैरेक्टर में भी आपका दिख सकता है. सो लेट्स गो अहेड. Concept, exploration, trust and integrity being honesty. So let's look at here. Being impartial and fair with someone being clear. A person who is clear and who is free to share anything, वो impartial होना चाहिए and fair. जो भी कहे वो विथ ऑनेस्टी के साथ कहे. Maintaining transparency, telling the whole truth. He or she has to also maintain transparency. So जो भी कुछ वॉट एवर हैज़ हैपन, वॉट एवर जो भी कुछ उसने देखा है वो क्लियरली अनफेयर फेयर होके मीन्स के वो शेयर करे. प्रेजेंटिंग डेटा ट्रूथफुली. वॉट एवर द डेटा आपने जो कुछ भी वॉट एवर यू हैव सीन, वॉट यू हैव मेड बाई यू मस्ट बी ट्रूथफुली कीपिंग योर प्रोमिसेस. देन एंड देन यू कैन अ पर्सन सामने वाला होगा he or she can put trust on you, otherwise it will be never possible. So impartial रहिए, fair रहिए, maintain transparency रखिए and you have to present data truthfully. Non-contributor can be confusing the other person also. Non-contributor can be confusing the other person. Look at here. Non-contributor always telling half truth. He or she never tells the whole truth. He making false promises. False promises करेगा आपको just to make just to do his own work. He do for false promises and he always hiding proper information. वो हाइड करेगा प्रॉपर इंफॉर्मेशन ऑल्सो. ही ऑलवेज लाइक समवन. हमेशा सबको झूठ भी बोलेगा कि कैसे दूसरा पर्सन उसको ट्रस्ट रखे. कंट्रीब्यूटर ऑलवेज ट्रस्ट वर्दी इन दर कम्युनिकेशन. कंट्रीब्यूटर ऑलवेज टेलिंग द होल ट्रूथ. Look at here the difference between non-contributor and contributor. Always trustworthy and person who can put trust on him also. So contributor always telling the whole truth, being clear, being transparent and being honest. So transparent रहिए, honest रहिए, fair रहिए. Swami Vivekananda speaks to you. Integrity is the foundation for success. So be स्वामी विवेकानंद ने जो मैसेज पास कर गए, वी हैव टू keep these promises in our life also. So Swami Vivekananda felt that without trust and integrity, no work could be accomplished. So without trust and integrity, no one. So we have to become that person के लोग हम पे भरोसा रखे, ट्रस्ट रखे, और we have to fair whatever you have done the promises with anyone, you have to fill that promises. These are the foundations of sustainable results in our career. So be integrity. Swami Vivekananda speaks to us like every successful man must have behind him somewhere tremendous integrity, tremendous sincerity, and that is the cause of his signal success in life. So be tremendous sincerity रखिए, integrity रखिए, and whatever you have done with promises उसमें fair रहिए. Have patience and be faithful unto death. So do not fight among yourselves. Never ever do fight among yourselves also. Be perfectly pure in money dealings. So long as you have faith and honesty and devotion, everything will prosperous. So be honest, be integrant and tremendous sincerity अपने आप में रखिए, and it is a cause of his signal success in life. This message shared by Swami Vivekananda. Honesty and keeping promises. So honesty is the truthfulness, sincerity and frankness. And also honesty is very expensive give. Do not expect from cheap people. Do not expect anything from cheap people. It is told by Warren Buffett. So Warren Buffett का message है, honesty is very expensive give, and do not expect from cheap people. Cheap people are never expect anything. This message we have to keep in our life also. Kiran Bedi is one of the best example of the most sustainable personality. Kiran Bedi had done her duty with the great trust on Indian acts that we all know. At this time, she supports Anna to fight against corruption. That we see in the today's scenario also. She supports Anna to fight against corruption in Delhi. Contribution to society. Look at here, contribution to society. A contributing shopkeeper will sell goods of best quality. उसका टास्क है कि वो बेस्ट क्वालिटी का गुड सेल करे, एंड ही विल कीप ट्रैक ऑफ एक्सपायरी डेट ऑफ ईच प्रोडक्ट. एक्सपायरी डेट हर एक प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर लिखे टू सेटिस्फाई हिज कस्टमर्स. अगर उसको कस्टमर्स का सपोर्ट चाहिए, सेटिस्फैक्शन चाहिए, प्रॉमिसेस चाहिए, ऑनेस्टी चाहिए, तो नेवर एवर रिमूव एक्सपायरी डेट्स. दिस इज कंसिडर एज द कंट्रीब्यूशन टू सोसाइटी. सो ये कंट्रीब्यूशन उसका रहेगा शॉपकीपर सोसाइटी के साथ, बिकॉज ड्यू टू हिज कंट्रीब्यूशन द प्रोडक्ट्स सोल्ड बाय हिम वुड बी ट्रस्टवर्दी एंड रिलायबल. सो जो प्रोडक्ट उसने सोल्ड किया है वो ट्रस्ट पर भी रहेगा एंड रिलायबल भी रहेगा. कंट्रीब्यूशन टू सेल्फ, ये है अपने आप पे कंट्रीब्यूशन टू सेल्फ. एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ द कंट्रीब्यूशन टू द सोसाइटी, people will trust that shopkeeper more than others. So it is a contribution का एग्जाम्पल इज अ बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल कि अपने आप के ऊपर अपना ट्रस्ट रखिए, ऑनेस्ट रहिए, तो सामने वाला भी, आपकी सोसाइटी भी आपके ऊपर ट्रस्ट रखेगी. दिस विल इफेक्ट हिज पर्सनल एज वेल एज हिज प्रोफेशनल लाइफ. ही विल ऑल्सो गेट बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटी टू सेल मोर गुड क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स. ये शॉपकीपर की एग्जांपल है कि अगर वो ऑनेस्ट रहेगा, फेयर रहेगा अपने टास्क में, तो ऑब्वियस है सामने वाला भी उसको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी कि शॉपकीपर को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी कि उसका गुड्स वो मार्केट में प्रोडक्ट भी बेचेगा और मोर फेमस होगा. कंट्रीब्यूशन टू ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. The sale of goods will be more and hence the shopkeeper will get more profit in a month, or we can say year. So shopkeeper is the best example कि उसको प्रॉफिट भी मंथ एंड ईयरली मिल रही है. He can also increase income of workers under him. तो जो भी वर्कर्स उसके अंडर में काम करते हैं उनको भी इंक्रीज इनकम मिलती है बाय डूइंग हिज टास्क. पर्पस विजन ऑफ वर्क, उसका विजन क्या है वर्क का. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सेल्स पर्सन, इट इज़ द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सेल्स पर्सन. माई मेन गोल इज टू बिल्ड अ नेटवर्क ऑफ लॉन्ग टर्म रिलेशनशिप फॉर माई कंपनी. इट इज़ द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सेल्स पर्सन. उसका टास्क है कि मैं अपनी कंपनी के साथ बी प्रोमिस रहूँ, फेयर रहूँ, इंटीग्रिटी रखूँ उनके साथ. सो उसका गोल है कि टू बिल्ड अ नेटवर्क ऑफ लॉन्ग टर्म रिलेशनशिप्स. Look at here the conclusion. The trust behavior can lead to make more contributions not only to self but to the company or to the society also. So be always become a trust behavior. It can create self-confidence which can ultimately lead to further more contributions as well as benefits. These are the questions. Question number 1. Shivani, a team lead, has to go on a week's leave to attend a family wedding. Who should who should she select to take over her role while she is away? Rank in order most preferred option to least preferred options. ये आपको Nimesh who takes on work without others having to tell him so that the team can meet its goal. Karthik, who does his job well but is reluctant to do anything extra. Subhan, who is willing to help but gets stressed when unfamiliar unknown work is given to him. Meena, who is willing to try out network but only if she sees obvious benefits from it. So here these are the options A, B, C, D, 1342, 1432, 3124 and 3412. You have to select from this. So read the questions and numbering also. Question number 2. You are new in your company and it's your first job. You have been assigned a project and your role in that project has been redefined. You think I will sincerely do whatever job is given to me. I will meet the project goals. So here you have to select from A or B. When looking for a new job, one should look for challenging work along with seeking a good pay package because challenges are thrilling and exciting. Number B, challenges make you discover more about yourself also. So you have to select from A or B, but reread the question 2 times. As the captain of your college football team, you would think about the larger goals of your team rather than your personal goals because you would like to be known as a good and fair captain. That is your role as a captain. You have to select from A or B. Question number 5. Which of these statements would you agree with? A or B? You have to read it. Question number 6. The committee at the ministry has to decide its next course of action after discovering the news of information leak. During the meeting, 3 committee members discussed their views. Which view will you support? Number 1, A, B and C. So Teja, ये ऑप्शन तेजा का है. पार्थ what he says we need to punish the offenders to set an example and कृपा का एग्जाम्पल है. सो तेजा, पार्थ एंड कृपा. सो A, B और C. सो आपको जो ठीक लगे आप you have to read the questions and look at here the questions और उसके बाद you have to select. To think win-win, I need to worry about what are the consequences of the organization's actions on others, how to reduce the negative impact of the organization action on others. So you have to select from A or B. It is important to learn from one's experience so that you don't repeat the same mistakes. Your experience can be shared with others. 9 number, Dr. Kalam met students and discussed their ideas. A or B, you have to select from. Question number 10, why do you think Dr. Kalam was successful in his career? Kalam gave his 100% in every task that came in his way. Dr. Kalam took up new initiatives and completed them successfully. Dr. Kalam made the right career choices to reach where he has reached. Question number 11, to give a meaningful feedback on any particular task or idea, one must in-depth knowledge of the subject, willingness to engage with the idea sincerely. So you have to read the questions and A, B, C option जो है वो आपको select करना है from A or B. Why there is a government honor of deserving students with awards? You have to select from A, B, C. Question number 14, you have to select from A or B. It is important to complete my assignments and submit on time. It is most important to focus on the quality of assignments that I submit. Question number 15, in which kind of job do you think who can contribute the most? So you have to select from A, B and C. The contributor's career strategy, choose the option opportunity vision, rewards vision. यहाँ पर opportunity vision है. Does this job offer higher salary or perks and holidays? Look at here. Does this job offer opportunities to face new challenges and develop new skills? Opportunities to meet new people and new learnings. Opportunity to make a difference. Here is a look at the rewards and opportunity vision. ये non contributor का vision है, ये contributor का. Reflection, how will this career strategy of choosing opportunity vision impact your choice of job? Discuss this answer. When assessing a job, what should I look for? When assessing a job, what should I look for? Ajay and Raghu have a couple of job offers on hand. They are trying to decide which job to take up. These are the questions each of them ask the manager to help them make a decision. So Ajay and Raghu किस टाइप की जॉब ले रहे हैं? Ajay, the non-contributor, what is the pay package? First of all, he thinks pay package. Will I get a team to work under me? So उसको टीम मिलेगी जो उसके अंदर काम कर सके. Will I have to stay late often? क्या मैं लेट आऊँ तो चले? Will I get compensated for working overtime? Will I get all the comforts and conveniences I want? So ये है नॉन कंट्रीब्यूटर का विजन ऑफ Raghu, the non-contributor person. What kind of work will I actually be doing? What are the typical responsibilities? What are the typical challenges which I am going to face, and how can I become a good creator also? Does this job and the contribution I can possibly make here excite me? जो एक्साइटमेंट है उसको न्यू चैलेंजेस ऑप्शन रेडी है एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए, ये है कंट्रीब्यूटर का ऑप्शन रघु का. Solve the questions. You have to select or solve the questions. How would each of the above two approaches a job offer impact the impression employers get of Ajay and Raghu? How will this thinking impact the way in which each fulfills the responsibilities in the job? What will be the impact of such a thinking on each one's career growth in long run? So you have to solve the questions. Students will be able to recognize and appreciate conduct which builds trust of people in contrast to conduct which breaks trust of people. In teams, weakens organization and the value of trust conduct in various situations. Thank you very much, dear all.